wish you a good health, more power. From the Municipal Budget Office, wish you long life and happiness and success. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mayor Jen! We wish you more birthdays to come from MPDC family.
Mayor, happy birthday. May you have the best of everything throughout the year and the years to come.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jenny! May you have many more birthdays to come. We love you from accounting office. Once again has come your birthday. Once again the time is here. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Mayor Jeannie, your life is a gift. Cherish the moments when you are empty but happy, tired but inspired, down but smiling, feeling lost in the dark but living for a cause. Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Mayor! From your generation family!
Mayong adlaw, Mayor. Happy birthday ang Municipal Treasury Office and staff. Malipayon nga mo extend o birthday wishes nining imong adlaw na tawhan karon. Happy birthday and many more years to come in your life. Mayor, suluba kanunay ang 1,000 smile sa imong pagpangalagad sa atong katawan sa lungsod sa San Francisco. Once again, happy birthday.
The Municipal Assessment Office wishes a happy and healthy birthday to Honorable Mayor Jenny Santos. Hope and pray that you have many more birthdays to come. We love you so much, Mayor. Happy birthday, Mayor! You are always beautiful in our eyes. Happy birthday! Hello, Mayor! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday sa among bapak na Mayor. Gikan sa MPDC office. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hello, Mayor. Jesus family, greets you more. Very happy birthday. And wishing you more birthdays to come. Wishing you more power, more blessings.
Happy birthday, Mayor!
We wish you more birthdays to come and good health to your family. Happy birthday, Mayor Jenny. Padayon sa atong serbisyo alang sa pag-asenso sa San Francisco.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy!
Mayor, we wish you the best of everything, and health and in life of love.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mayor Jeannie. May God bless you always. May you continue to be a blessing not only to your family but a blessing to everybody, to the people of San Francisco. Once again, happy birthday and mabuhay ka, Mayor Jeannie.
Happy birthday, Mayor! From Vice Mayor staff. We are here to praise you on your last day. We are here to praise you back around the lake. It is your birthday. We are happy to
ole. It is a birthday round the lake, ole, ole, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday round the lake, ole, ole. Happy birthday, Mayor Jimmy Yasis. Kami sa Metro Office o membro sa Diwata Task Force, nakaabot sa kaigong pagbati sa iyong adlaw-adlawan. Happy birthday, Mayor!
Once again has come your birthday. Once again this time is here. What a lovely gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy time, your birthday. Happy time is here. What a lovely gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year.
On behalf of the Municipal Agriculture Office, we wish to extend our warmest greetings on your birthday with abundant blessings and more years to serve the people of San Francisco.
Happy birthday, Mayor Jen! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Wishing you another year of laughter, joy, and fun, surprises, love, and happiness. And when your birthday's done, we hope you will live in your heart as your birthdays come and go. How very much you mean to us, more than you can know. We hope all your wishes come true. May each hour and minute be filled with joy and blessings. And because we appreciate you, we hope you have many more birthdays to come.
Honorable Mayor Jenny Didiasis, from the Arquisio family, we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you!
In behalf of the Liga ng mga Barangay as the EBC President of San Francisco, kami magpaabot sa atuang Honorable Mayor sa iyang birthday nga siya gayod hatagan pa mga dugang katuigan para maserbisyuhan ug iyang mahuman iyang mga panlantaw alang sa kalambuan sa San Francisco. As we know that daghan ang mga naay mga negatibo sa panlantaw nga wala nila nakita kung unsa ang nahimo ng mga proyekto sa ito ang Honorable Mayor. Kami sa Liga, kami mapasigarbuhon nga muhatag suporta sa ito ang Mayor in times of crisis nga gikinahanglan ang full support sa Liga ng mga Barangay. We assure Honorable Mayor nga kami kanunay na ana sa imong nagpaluyo alang sa mga damgo nga imong mapatuman ug mapakita sa katawhan ang kausaban sa ato ang lungsod nga mao kana ang expectation sa mga katawhan tungod sa imong liderato nga nakita ug ang kumpiyansa sa mga katawhan labi na mga negosyante ni balik tungod sa imong maayo nga pagdumala sa ato ang lungsod sa San Francisco. Ang transparency nga nakita namo mao na nga ang Liga ng mga Barangay dako ang paghatag og suporta sa ato ang Honorable Mayor. Mayor, kami kanunay ana sa imong luyo times nga gikinahanglan ana lang ang Liga ng mga Barangay. We wish you very happy birthday and more blessings to come. Thank you.
Kaya ngayon, binabati kita ng mali
serbisyo sa katawan sa San Francisco. Mabuhay ka, Mayor Ginny Diasis!
Happy birthday, Mayor. May God will give us more years of happy birthdays. God bless us.
Happy birthday, Mayor!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday, Mayor! Mayor, kagwapa gyud nimo. I love you. Kinahanglan nindot gyud karon nga tuiga kay hapit na ang umaabot. Kinahanglan ikaw gihapon hantod 2016. Mayor, I love you. Pinanggatan yun kayo. So, full support ang kababayanan sa San Francisco sa imo. O ka na, Mayor, thank you. Congratulations nga nakaabot ka sa mga idara nga kahibalong yun ko nga ikaw ang inahan sa lungsod. Kay malambuo na yun ang lungsod sa San Francisco tungod nga ikaw na ang naging mayor sa sa atong lungsod. Mayor!